Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So this truck looks very familiar, I'm sure. We've done a video on in the past. We've had pictures on in the past. This truck was actually a truck that we built here at our shop for a customer years back. He didn't want it anymore. Jessica and I bought it. We kind of went through it, went through the suspension, went through the paint, repolished the wheels, just really wanted to make the truck, whoever ended up buying it, it was a nice truck when it left. So since then, the truck has now had another motor built for the truck. And we're not just talking a motor, we're not talking a 5.7 liter twin overhead cam that it had. We're now talking a 6.8 liter motor and not a Magnuson supercharger anymore. It now has a Whipple supercharger on. This thing runs on E85, but the training's been gone through. It's got a Motec on it. It's got a lot of money put in the motor. But I can tell you right now, the way this thing is set up, it probably would break the transmission if it allowed it to go to wide open throttle right out of the gate. It's got a safety on it, which is really nice. The truck was on the dyno yesterday. It runs on E85. It was on the dyno yesterday. It made 996 foot-pounds of torque and just over 700 horsepower. Now we had to bring it down. That was on a roll in third gear from say like a 3,500 roll, and that was just so it was a nice smooth transition on it. But we weren't able to get peak horsepower because the transmission kept telling it no, and so we had to do some adjustments on it. But the truck is set up and it's very drivable. It's a street truck now. I'm gonna pop the hood. I want you to see just all the work that's gone in underneath the hood. And then obviously the exhaust system we had done back in the shop years ago. And then what we had done now since is built a full, bigger, larger custom exhaust. And now we're at a 4-inch diameter here now at the side. And then it's a 2-into-1 collector through a muffler, then out through the side here. And then we loop it through the frame here. You can see it back in the frame here. You can see all the mounts we made. It's all stainless steel. It's all been brushed. But this truck is an absolute animal. It's probably better that it does spin the tires, because if it did hook up, it probably would break something pretty quickly. It just blows the tires off of it, so it's pretty funny. But let me get the hood popped. I want to share that underneath the hood for you. So under the hood here, you can see the Whipple. You can see the Motec set up, all the custom bracketry to mount the Motec over here, the custom airbox that was made, all the custom air snorkel here that was made, the custom radiator, the custom overflow here for the supercharger, for the coolant. Super clean and sanitary under here. And if you looked under here, you'd almost think it was stock, but you know it's not stock. But it has a larger, about 100mm throttle body on it now, and it is a Lexus throttle body off of one of the larger cars. But that was what we found that worked the best with this adapter plate that we did for it. But you can see all the lines are run here, all the connectors here, just how clean everything is underneath here. This truck, like I said, is an absolute ripper. Guys, just wanted to share that with you. We'd love to hear from you. I know this isn't stuff that normally comes out of our shop, but because it's such a cool truck and it was such a foundation for our business when we started, I wanted to share that with you, because it was really our 2019 Tundra long travel that we built that led us into building this truck for a customer, and then we ended up acquiring it from him, and then we ended up reselling it. And then obviously we sold our long travel Tundra, and they both sold within a couple weeks of each other. But you can see that this thing has been now taken to a whole nother level of built motor and build training, and obviously it looks amazing. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and we hope to hear from you.